So I'm kind of going to go over what the assignments are for today, just so you don't get confused. Obviously, you're going to do everything in order, so watch the Sobat agenda and do the Haggerty lesson for today. And then author's perspective poster. Today's more of a review for your test tomorrow. So you're really just getting some extra practice in. I reassigned those iReady lessons, and I'll get into that. But let's review author's perspective. So author's perspective is how the author feels about the topic, their opinions and beliefs. Sometimes you can tell if the author is for or against something. And the way we've been identifying it is by identifying different words the author uses to express himself. So does he use positive words? Does he use negative words? How do you know how he really feels? There's an optional practice with that today, and I'll get into that. And then you can identify author's perspective by looking at the problem or the conflict, the character's actions, the feelings, or the dialogue, which is just what is said. So maybe what he says to help you identify how he feels. So this poster is on Schoology for you to look at. Everything that is on your test tomorrow, we've went over these past 2 weeks, and it comes right from iReady. So I reassigned those lessons, and I really suggest completing them. Some people did not complete them. If you didn't do very well, maybe you try again and really get that practice in, because what they're teaching you on iReady is going to be on the test about this lesson. So go ahead and look at the poster, do the iReady assigned lesson, and then we have our author's tone, and this is optional. Okay, if you want the extra practice, you can do this for extra points as well. So for this assignment, you are going to, for each sentence, you're going to determine whether the author's tone is positive, negative, or neutral. Okay, neutral just means we don't really know if it's positive or negative. So this is going to help you identify the author's purpose or the perspective of how the author feels by identifying their tone, which is basically what they're saying. So number one, eating too much pizza can make you sick. I think if he wants to say that's going to make you sick, that's negative. So we're just going to write negative beside this. All right. Then I have my next one. The American flag is red, white, and blue. Okay, he's just saying a statement, so I don't know if he's saying something's positive or negative. So I'm going to say neutral because I don't know. And I'll do one more with you. Saturn is a beautiful planet with several fantastic rings. He used beautiful and fantastic, so I'm going to say he feels pretty positive. So if you would like to do this for extra practice, go ahead and do the rest of these. And then if you get out of this, you have the capitalization of the days and holidays, which we did together last week. So you should know what you're doing, but I will go over a couple. So write the days of the week, the months, or the holidays beginning with a capital letter. So Thursday is the day of the week. It needs to be capitalized. Okay, sometimes we forget the things that need to be capitalized in the middle of a sentence. October, that's a month. That is also capitalized. So go ahead and do the rest of those for your assignment. And when you get down here, you need to capitalize the days of the week, months, or holidays. So, for example, Independence Day, that is a holiday, okay? That's actually the 4th of July. So, you need to capitalize Independence Day is a special day in July. Got my capitalizations, and I got my other capitalization, and I got my period at the end. So this will be your other assignment for today. So when you go through, get on iReady, redo those lessons. If you need anything, if you need extra support, just message me.